Word problem 2. Objective: the learner shall be able to solve in one variable. BC and Phoebe's ages add up to 29. 7 years ago, BC was twice as old as Phoebe. Find their present ages. We will explore 4 major steps, and then link each solution line to corresponding step as applied. Step 1. Start from the statement, 7 years ago. This enables us to solve in one variable. Step 2. Translate the above statement into mathematical terms. Here, we assign variable x as Phoebe's age. Then, BC would be 2x years old. So, for the above solution line 1, use steps 1 and 2. Step 3. Find an expression for their present ages. At present, both Phoebe and BC are 7 years older, that is, plus 7 each. So, for the above solution line 2, use step 3. Lastly, add up their present ages. That is, Phoebe's age plus BC's age equals 29. So, for this solution line, use the last step. This implies that 3x plus 14 equals 29, which in turn implies that 3x equals 15. By dividing both sides of the above equation by 3, implies that x equals 5. This part requires no step, so ensure to solve correctly. To get BC and Phoebe's ages, substitute for x into their respective ages. Therefore, BC is 17 years old, while Phoebe is 12 years old.